Greetings, and welcome back to the second Get Ungrounded Trivia. I am your host Boris. Let's meet the contestants of today. The first contestant is Marquette, the scientist in Waffle World. The second contestant is Hungry Pumkin, who the human gives him foods. The last contestant is Caillou, the best son and Cody's brother. You know the rules, so do I. If someone not knows it, right ungrounded, wrong grounded. What is the first contestant in my Get Ungrounded Trivia?
I'm very hungry.
No. The answer is not I'm very hungry. You are grounded for 10 years.
Is it Wolfo?
Nope. The answer is not Wolfo. You are grounded for 10 years. Well, can Caillou answer it? Time's up. The answer is Mingle. Time to go to the next question. Why Rosie is a troublemaker?
Give me the water.
No, the answer is not give me the water. Are you a ripoff or something? You are grounded for 25 years.
It's because she do bad things.
Yes, Caillou, that is true. You are ungrounded for 25 years. Now next question. True or false? Mingle is a Urban Move fan.
Give me the chicken.
No, the ANWSER is not give me the chicken. This is not in restaurant. You are grounded for 45 years.
Is it false?
Nope. The answer is not false. How do he not like buses? You are grounded for 45 years.
Is it true?
Yes, the answer is true. You are ungrounded for 45 years. Well, it is time to go to the commercial break. We'll be right back after these messages.
Are you having some nasty food? Come to us. We make you some coffee, croissants, donuts, tea, etc. Anna's Cafe. At 43rd Street 36.
Did you like Christmas 2021? What did you get from Christmas 2021? You could tell your parents what you got.
Oh. It was a nice day to walk. But anyways, I am going to the store. You are a Coca.
I am not Coca-me cool.
Do not listen, Alice. This message was sent by the police.
Welcome back to Get Ungrounded Trivia. Let's now shout to the next question.
Give me the rice.
What the actual poop? Why you need food? You are grounded for 70 years. Does anyone knows it? Time's up. The correct answer is it will be recycled to garbage bin. Next question. Is Santa Claus real?
Give me the sandwich.
No. You are grounded for 100 years.
Yes. Santa Claus is real.
No, that's not true. You are grounded for 100 years.
What? I am a Santa Claus and I am not real?
No, you are just kind of some combine of sandwich fat imposter. Just leave this place.
Fine. I will leave.
No. It is not real.
Yep, that's right. You are ungrounded for 100 years. Next question. When International Working Day is on?
Give me the fish.
Oh, why are you hungry? You are grounded for 500 years.
Is it May 14th?
No. It's Mingle's birthday, not International Working Day. You are grounded for 500 years.
Is it May 1st?
Yes, that is May 1st. You are ungrounded for 500 years. We will take a commercial break. We'll be right back after these messages.
I'm going to school.
School. Educations and learning.
Three apples there. Welcome back. Last question. Is Mingled a noob?
Give me the hot dog.
Why are you always hungry? You are grounded for 1,000 years.
No. I don't want that.
Shut up. You are grounded for 10,000 years.
That was terrible. I'm never coming back here again.
You have to shut up. You are grounded for 100,000 years.
Yes. He is a noob.
Oh. Mr. Cat, how dare you say that? That's it. Prepare to be punished.
No. He is not a noob.
Yep, that's right. You are ungrounded for 100,000 years. Well, that's it for the Get Ungrounded Trivia. Caillou is only who got ungrounded. Well, I hope you all have a good day and stay ungrounded.